So the back now. Where's my fucking power button? There we go. Okay, shoot. This is what this was a nice ass phone. Yo, what is good? YaaBoyySuperr here, back with something a little different. For those who are like real OGs to this fucking channel, your boy used to do a few tech videos here and there. I used to mess around with Android phones and iPods and shit. I'm talking way back, early 2014, late 2013 type of days. But today I just want to do something a little different. I have not taken this phone case off since I bought this phone, and this is a Galaxy Note 9. I had purchased this back in October 26th, I believe, last year. And this phone has not been out of its case since. It has been in a case for what, 5 months now? Some shit like that. I'm not gonna do the whole math, but as you can see, like, there's a lot of fucking grime and dirt and probably a lot of like shit from my work and all that in there, just all crammed. You really won't see that. It's just all crammed in this crevices and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna fucking do right now, and what I'm dying to find out, is I want to see, and this is gonna be putting an Otterbox to the test. I want to see how quote unquote sealed their phone cases are. I know like the life jackets or life proof or whatever those cases are called, they have like a super tight seal that keeps water or whatever the hell getting inside the crevices. So we're gonna put Otterbox to the test right now, and we're gonna see what lies underneath this fucking case. Before we go ahead and take that case off, I want to go ahead and do an unboxing, if you will, just because your boy used to watch hella Flossie Carter and Tim Schofield and Unbox Therapy. I still watch them to this day, but we're going to go ahead and do a little unboxing right here. I'm going to go ahead and slap on a Tech21 Note 9 case, just because on one of my old LG phones, God, what was that phone? An LG Optimus L9 or some shit like that. I had a Tech21 case on that phone. Man, that phone went through hell and back, and it could show you vouchers for that shit. Like, that phone went through a lot, and Tech21, their cases are legit. Like, they won't screw up on you. Like, this case, it went through gravel, it went through basketball court, slid across a basketball court, to be fucking honest with you. Like, it's been through a lot, and that case did me pretty fucking good. So I'm like, I picked this up. It was for what was that? It was regular $44.99. They had it for $13.48 at fucking Target. Because you already know, if y'all watch me on the Snapchat, and if you haven't already, follow your boy on Snap. I'm going to have that little shit pop up right here. And sorry I had to get that shameless Snapchat plug out of the way. But nonetheless, yes. I got this at Target for a good deal. So I'm like, fuck it, I'll pick it up. All I had before was the old Otterbox. So I'm like, it doesn't hurt to have an extra case laying around. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Then these, I mean, I ain't trying to sound like that basic white, frappy, Starbucks drinking girl, but these low-key are lit. These come in handy, because like I actually have a different style, that faux leather one, in my phone case right here. And I mean, they're not the greatest. They'll hold a card and a $100 bill, even though that's fake. We ain't gonna speak of that, but they'll hold enough. Like, I mean, it's convenient. Say I'm taking Uber or some shit, I'll just put like $1 in here. So when I gotta give them their tip and shit. The kickstand / ring finger shit, it don't work for me. I have to use 2 fingers, and I got a fat ass hand, if y'all haven't noticed. And like, even with 2 fingers, that's the only thing I don't like. This is not that secure. What this does work good for is the kickstand feature. Like, I love that. That is actually handy and useful, other than that fucking, yeah, that's just stupid. But anyways, so yeah, I figured I'd pick another one of these up. This one, okay, fucking stay. Motherfucker. Stay. Fucking, okay, you can stay the fuck down. Shit, I'm already gonna be demonetized. Anyway, anyways, so yeah, I picked up another one. This one's just your basic black. That one was a faux leather, like I said. See, look, they're using 2 fingers, and that's working for them. It don't work for me. But anyways, let's go ahead. I don't want to make this too much longer than it needs to be. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. As Flossie would say, let me get my ghetto boxing knife and then say raw, whatever the fuck he does. Let's cut this open real quick. Come on. There we go. Okay, I'm dying to feel the texture on this case. Just because, like, the Tech21s, they had a... Oh, fuck, it's a whole sticker shit. Yep. And I ain't editing none of this shit out. Come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it is like that smoky color. That's what I was looking for. Do you not pop all the way out? Do you not come out all the way? Oh, and that's the back of the box, just for shits and giggles. I'm interested because it's that two-piece type of case. And I don't know if I'm going to like that. I've never been a fan of cases like this, but first time, let's see what it's like. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes, definitely. Feels nice in the hands, ladies. You know what I'm saying? I need to stop acting like fucking Flossie Carter. But that's nice. It's that smoke color. I'm kind of low-key not sure how I feel about this. Just because, yeah, it's obviously see-through. I mean, I love the color blue I have on my Note 9, but if this lets dirt and shit in, you're going to see that, and my OCD going to cock me in the head. But that is what it is. I mean, so let's see. If said, I thought this was a two-piece case. What did they mean by... What? Oh, no, it's just the diagram how it has the flex shock shit in there. So I guess like they did that where they splice it apart and show. Okay, that makes sense. But I mean, it feels good. Not that the Otterbox didn't have grip at all. I mean, the Otterbox, it has plenty of grip. At the same time, it's just a little too bulky. And then when you're wearing jeans or work pants and shit like that, it's just that much harder to get in and out. But okay, this is what I'm fucking dying to see. I'm gonna set this to the side. I'll unbox this after the fact. We're gonna set that to the side. Man, I'm tempted to see. Oh shit, y'all get to see your boy's ugly ass fucking afro looking shit. But I'm really tempted to see what this case looks like. We're actually gonna. Should I be that basic motherfucker that leaves the phone on when they're trying to take the case off? Nah, fuck it. Just go ahead. I forgot how you take it out. Okay, you gotta do these, I believe. You gotta do that. Man, I am dying to see this. See, like, the seal is strong against the plastic. But I want to see how the plastic held up to the actual phone. Okay, so let's take a... Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. I expected this to come all the way in. Let's see. Come on, focus. Right now I'm using this HTC M10 or M9 that I found. It's a secondary camera. That's pretty damn good. Like, I was expecting shit all the way up in here. Let's check out the plastic part. Okay, alright. This is only the first layer though. I'm dying to see what got inside here. Alright. Oh shit, look at that. See that, my OCD right now, y'all, is just ringing in my fucking head right now. Damn. I see what sucks is that shit gets all in your speaker grill. Come on, focus. God damn. That gets on your speaker. The headphone jack was covered at least, so that, let's see how good that covered. I mean, for having a cover, and I'm the type of dude, I rarely use my headphone jack. So I rarely open that flap, and there's still shit all in there. God, just focus for once. There we go. I mean, it could be worse. Anyways, okay, so, shit, how do you get this shit off? Okay, there's little clips right here. I'm gonna get my microfiber ready real quick. And let's see where I left that shit. I'm gonna get two, because I'm gonna bring both, because I don't know how. Oh shit, of course, I would hit the tripod and ruin the whole video. I'm gonna keep those there, because I might need both for this shit. Alright, first clip. Second clip. It's hard seeing this without looking around the fucking tripod. Third clip. Fourth, fifth, I already lost count. Oh Lord, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, we're gonna get the front off. Oh, I'm dying to see this. How's the front sides look? That? Okay, see, there's still shit there. Bottom. So quite a bit of shit, man. That's like encrusted, it looks like. I mean, I was expecting worse. I was expecting worse on that. Alright, so the back now. Where's my fucking power button? There we go. Okay, shoot. This is what this was a nice ass phone when I bought. Like, whenever you buy a new high-end phone and you peel that wrapping, this shit was shiny as a motherfucker. So I'm dying to see how fucked up this is. And what's fucked up is where I work, there's hella grout and shit that gets in here. That grout will scratch up glass, no fucking problem. So we'll see. Fuck. Yep. Damn. There's that fucking ring. Shit. But at the same time, that could have been a lot fucking worse. Let me look at this actual eyes real quick. Oh shit. I mean, I was expecting worse, but that bottom part right there, if it'll focus, that is worse than all of this up here. Well, that's pretty bad too, but I think I'll say one thing. I'm going to just say it right here. It's the Otterbox. If it has any flaws or any fails, it's the bottom of the phone pretty much. But that's like, well, let me see with my own eyes. Let me get this microfiber. It kind of comes off, but it feels crusty. Pause on that. I swear if I got like residue from this shit, I'm gonna be saltier than a motherfucker. Well, that came right on off. I'm gonna look with my own eyes. Any scratches? No, that shit's pristine. Let's see this camera lens. Trying not to actually scratch the actual lens itself. I'm trying not to have my ugly ass face showing this video. Alright, that came decently off. This kind of just nice and pretty real quick. That looks pretty fucking good. Other cases would have been a lot worse. So I mean, this isn't bad. I'm not like shaming Otterbox, but like, it's the bottom of the phone that took the most hit. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video real quick. I'm gonna clean this motherfucker off and we're gonna slap this case on. Alright, that's as clean as she's gonna get, but damn. That's the, like, I'm not really a blue person. I'm more for like the color red or even black, but when I was in the store and I saw this blue shine, I was like, yeah, I'm going for that shit. I fucking love that color. Mainly because I just wanted the yellow S Pen as well too, but that's neither here or there. Alright, so I don't know how y'all put y'all's phone cases on, but if you just wipe a phone down, like, see, I go OCD in this shit, and I just like get a regular microfiber, scrub the shit. Once I take it out of that, I'll get like a softer, like this is a Zeiss, it's for those Zeiss camera lenses. It's like a real fine microfiber. Like one cloth is like 15 bucks or some shit like that. But like, it's like a polishing cloth, if you will. So you get to kind of dry the phone off and get every single last minuscule amount of dust left. Anyways, so what I typically do is I get my phone like this, go camera in first, and see one thing I remember at Tech21, it's a tight fitting case. Pause on that. You slide the microfiber out and then click, and there we go. I cannot knock shit down. That's not, that's one thing I'm not sure I'm gonna like. Like the Otterbox has a lot more of a lip. This one, well, it's got a tiny little bit. It's got enough. Like I can actually lower this real quick and we're gonna actually see. Well, it doesn't go that low, but I mean, it's enough, I guess. As long as you ain't a dumbass like me, you'll be fine. Let's see, but yeah, I like the feel on this shit. It feels good in the hands. Pause on that. Buttons are clicky, volume buttons, clicky, Bixby. Nobody uses Bixby, so that's not an issue. Let's take a look at that back. I mean, it's alright. I thought it was going to be texturized, so that was, I guess the texture is inside. I don't know. Real quick though, because I'm running out of battery life on this camera, we're going to unbox. I might not put this on right away, but I'm going to like show y'all. Like, I want to know myself what the texture is on this. The other one was fake leather. I want to see what they make this shit. And I kicked the fucking tripod again. I'm not good at unboxing. That's why I stopped doing this a long time ago. Come on, pop on out. Oh, it's okay. So it's like a silicone. Yeah, I probably ain't gonna use. Well, I don't know. I mean, basically, you just peel this cheap ass tape. It would slap on like this. See, if I put it, I would probably put it like this. I mean, that wouldn't look too half bad. But what kind of card holder is? Oh, okay, so see, mine was better. Mine has, the case is way over here. Mine had the slots, like your traditional card slot type of deal. This one, just one slot does it, so you would have to like slap it on like that. And then you have your little spring thing. Of course, that don't feel like it's gonna work either. I'm not sure if I'm even gonna use this one. It was only what, like $2 or some shit like that. $2.48. I might just keep this one in this box and just save it because I got no use for that right now, knowing it's that type of style. But anyways, it's a different type of video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I just wanted to change it up and kind of go back. I need to stop kicking this fucking tripod. But anyways, it's YaBoyySuperr. I am out. If you haven't already, hit your boy on the snap. Add me right here. Scan your phone on the fucking computer screen. Whatever it takes. Add me on the snap for all behind the scenes. And yeah, it's YaBoyySuperr. I am out and I'll see y'all in